Hey guys, I hope you're well. So look, I'm filming this from my home on my phone, and me and Tesco wanted to carry on trying to give you ideas and inspiration to get loads of great stuff, loads of veggies into your life. So we've got a smoky chili bean tray bake with sweet potato and feta. Really simple and really delicious flavors. So let's do this. I have a sweet potato here. This does count as one of your 5 fruit and veg a day. Just take the ends off and just holding it properly. Sorry you can't see my head. I'm just going to put my knife in and split it. But look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Amazing colour. So put them into your bowl. I'm going to hit them up with some salt and pepper. Now the smokiness in this tray bake is going to come from this. It's smoked paprika. Really, really cool. If you haven't got this spice, please, please, please try it. So just shake a little bit onto our sweet potatoes. Not much. A little bit of olive oil. So give that a nice toss around. Now that is a really simple way to get a load of life into a beautiful sweet potato, even if you're serving it as a wedgie. Now I'll show you what to do with this later because I've got a great trick. Now, on my little gas stove here, because we are super technical, I am going to do the base for our beautiful beans. So in there, I'm going to add some oil. So I'm going to use 3 red onions, simply cut these red onions into little quarters like that, and then into little chunks. Now, of course, if you haven't got red onion, you can use white onions, you can use leeks, spring onions. You know, they're all going to work beautifully well. And the next ingredient I'm going to use is coriander. You could use basil, you could use mint, you could use parsley. No worries at all. I'm keeping the leaves here. I'm keeping them aside. If you just pop them in some cold water. The stalks, don't waste them. Get them in here. And then I've got 4 garlic cloves. In this climate at the moment, the one thing that food can do, as well as keeping you occupied, giving you a focus, is give you optimal nutrition, right? This will serve 4 to 6 people. Look at that. So as that cooks away, I'm going to carry on using some of that beautiful smoked paprika that I used on the sweet potatoes. As soon as the paprika hits that tray, you can see the colour change. Really nice. Come on. Let that toast off for a little bit, and then kind of the heroes of this dish, the beans. Beans, from a nutritional point of view, are just like next level. These are mixed beans, hot and spicy, but it's not that hot, and it's not that spicy. You could use cannellini beans, you could use chickpeas, you could use butter beans. So I've got some nice passata here. You can use plum tomatoes, chopped tomatoes, and as this cooks in the oven, it will get so sweet and rich and delicious. Oh, it tastes good already. So that is literally it. It's now come to the boil. It's blipping away. It's looking amazing. So I'm now going to put that in the oven for about 45 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius, and it will just get better and better. And I'm going to show you a trick of what to do with these sweet potatoes, because I'm going to cook them directly onto the bars of the oven. So it's 20 minutes in. The chili's looking good. Look at that. Oh, so good. Can you see how the skin has gone crisp, but it's kind of slipping away. Oh. Okay, you lovely lot. So here we have it. Really, really pleased with that. And look, these are my sweet potatoes. Right, just look under there. Yes! Oh, I nearly slipped off. So in we go with a couple of our sweet potatoes. Just a little bit of feta cheese. So for me, this dish is just lovely. It's comforting, it's really, really simple. And look at the colours. Guys, come on. That is a beautiful dish. You can tuck into that. Put it in the middle of the table. And one of the things I love to do, if I bring up my little camping stove again, is some tortillas. And with the tortillas, I literally just want to reheat them just for a second so that they puff up. Just keep turning them on a gas hob. And of course you could serve this with bread or rice, no trouble at all. So once you've got that, let's serve it up. Load that with a little sour cream. Then I go in for the beans. Look at the contrast. Oh, yes. Oh, the flavours. Come on, guys. Just finish it if you want with a little shake of smoked paprika. And look at that. Absolutely beautiful. That, my friends, is my Traybake smoky beans with sweet potato and feta. This one, well, that's for me, but this is for the kids. So I'm going to serve them up. Until next time, lots of love.